To come up with the size of the brush seal kit you need to take measurements of the width and height of the door, as well as the gap on the side and at the header. So for the gap, you're going to want to measure to the lowest part of the corrugation from the surface that you're going to be attaching. This has a little lip here, so we're going to be fastening it to this flat metal surface. So if I measure straight back, I'm at 1.5 inches. So for 1.5 inch gap, we're going to use a 2-inch brush. The brush is at a 45-degree angle, so it will cover 1.5 inches perfectly. If you get larger than 1.5 inches, then you want to step up to the 3-inch brush. So we're measuring the header seal at the top of the door. You're going to be measuring straight back from the surface you're fastening it to. On this door, the high rib ends straight back from where you're sealing at 1.5 inches. So the 2-inch brush will work. If the header is at a low rib, you're going to measure back to the low rib and use what size brush you need for that. The brush seal cuts come in both 2-inch or 3-inch header brushes.